When we say function notation, the dependent variable is the value of y or the f of x. And the independent variable is the value of x. So this time, how to solve na tayo? How to solve the value of the function. Yes, step 1, we need to write first the given expression as what? Write the given expression as function notation or just simply palitan si letter y ng ano? F of x. So the given expression is y is equal to 3x plus 6. Do you think the given is already in slope-intercept? Okay, if yes, proceed ka na kay step 1 agad. Change na. So palitan daw si y ng f of x. Then yung the rest ko, kopyahin lang. F of x is equal to 3x plus 6. Step 2, basa boys. Okay, substitute the value of x to the function. Meaning, lahat ng x ay papalitan ng anong number? Ano yung binigay? Negative 3. O, palitan to ng negative 3. Ito rin ay negative 3. And then, step 3, simplify. Okay, simplify natin yung mga given. So, ito, bring down 3 times negative 3, negative 9. Bring down 6. Same sign, unlike. Plus or minus? Minus kasi magkaiba sila ng sign. 9 plus 6, 9 minus 6, 3. Then copy the sign of the bigger number. So therefore, again, ano yung binigay na value ni x? Okay, negative 3. And ano yung nakuha nating value ni y? Okay, meaning, the value of y is negative 3 when the value of x is negative 3. Nakadepende si f of x sa magiging bibigay na value ni x. Do you understand? Kaya tinawag na ito ay dependent, ito ay independent. May tanong po ba? Now let us try another example. Okay, so another example, we're going to complete the given table of values. Okay, using the given expression. So the given expression is y is equal to x plus 5. First question, do you think the given expression is already written in slope-intercept? Okay, if yes, proceed to step 1. Change or write the given expression as function notation. So magiging ano po yan? Very good. F of x is equal to, okay, ito na po yung gagamitin natin, si function notation to complete the given table. So we're going to find the value of the function notation given the value of x. Hahanapin natin si dependent variable given yung independent variable. Okay, the first value of x is what? Negative 2. So this is f of negative 2. Papalitan natin si x ng value ni x, which is negative 2. So this will become, what is x? Negative 2 plus 5. Then after that, step number 3, simplify. Okay, so this will become f of negative 2 is equal to negative, positive, same sign, unlike. Unlike, add or subtract. Okay, 5 minus 2, what is the sign? Positive, because 5 is greater than 2. Okay, copy the sign of the bigger number. Now, what is the value of x? Negative 2, the value of y. Meaning, the value of y is 3 when the value of x is negative 2. So, si 3, isusulat natin yan dito. Do you understand? Now, let us proceed by the second one. What is the value of x? This will become f of negative 1. Same procedure, palitan ulit. Negative 1 plus, same sign, unlike. Add or subtract. Negative, 5 minus 1. Okay, 4, sign. Positive. Given ordered pair. What is x? Gamma? Okay, so this is positive 4. Next, what is the value of x? Okay, this will become f of 0 is equal to 0 plus 0 plus 5. 5. Ordered pair. 0, 5. Sulat ulit si 5. Next tayo. Ano po ulit yung value ni x? Okay, this is letter D. So this will become f of 1 is equal to what is x? 1 plus 5. Simplify. ordered pair? 1, 6. So, sulat ulit si 6. And last one na tayo, letter E. F of 2 is equal to 2 plus 5. Ordered pair? Okay, after getting the value of the given dependent variable, or write na sa ating table. So, this is the result of the given table of values. So, now, observe the result. What can you say about the value of the dependent variable? 3, 4, 5, 6, meaning, magkakasunod, nagkaroon tayo ng pattern. Tama ba? Okay. If the given or if the independent variable is consecutive. Ano yung consecutive? Magkakasunod. Negative 2, negative 1, 0, 1, 2, and so on. Magkakaroon talaga tayo ng pattern sa ating dependent variable. Ano yung naging pattern natin dyan? Okay, 3, 4, 5. Paano magiging 4? Si 3, paano magiging 4? Very good, plus 1 lang. 3 plus 1? Plus 1? Plus 1? Plus 1? Ibig sabihin, kahit hindi na tayo mag-solve, basta nakita mo na agad yung pattern, pwede nang lagyan mo na si letter Y. O kung maglalagay ako dito ng 3, anong kasunod? 8. Kung 4? 9. Iyon lang yung pattern natin, plus 1. Do you understand? Nagkakaroon lang tayo class ng pattern kapag ang ating independent variable o yung x na tinatawag ay consecutive. Ano yung consecutive? Magkakasunod yung number. Okay, any question?